Thousands of individuals apply to move to the United States but have already started growing their family in their home country prior. In these cases, those applying will sponsor their spouse, dependents, and any other qualifying relatives to immigrate to the U.S. with them.
Visit us at Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now let's get into the video and find out what's new in U.S. immigration. There are a few options available to those who are looking to do so. Let's learn about 5 visas that would allow your spouse to work in the United States. Let's look at them one by one. Number 1. H-1B visa. The H-1B visa is a work permit that allows foreigners to work in the U.S. with their specialty occupations. To apply for this visa, one would need a job offer and the skills required for that job. The H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD, was designed for spouses and children under the age of 21 of H-1B visa holders. Specifically, spouses of an H-1B visa would obtain an H-4 visa to legally work in the United States. Number 2. E-1 visa. The E-1 visa, also known as Treaty Trade Visa, is a non-immigrant visa for citizens of countries that the U.S. has a treaty of commerce with. While not all countries are eligible, business owners and investors from those that are may qualify if they meet several criteria. If your spouse is looking to work in the U.S., they would need to download Form I-750, complete it, and apply for employment authorization. Number 3. E-2 visa. E-2 visas are for owners and investors in businesses in the United States. The E-2 visa is a temporary U.S. work visa that may be granted for substantial investments in the U.S. An investment must meet several criteria in order to qualify for an E-2 visa. As the E-2 visa holder, you are only permitted to work for the E-2 company. However, your spouse can work for any employer or even be self-employed. An H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD, is the document that allows an E-2 visa spouse to work, and usually takes 90 days to arrive. Number 4. E-3 visa. The E-3 visa gives eligible Australian nationals the chance to work in the United States within their specialty occupation. The visa was created by an act of the United States Congress as a result of the Australia-United States Free Trade Agreement, AUSTA. E-3 visa holder spouses are entitled to work in the United States with a valid H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD. The spouse may not begin work until they receive the EAD card. And number 5 is L-1 visa. If you are expanding your business to the U.S. or being transferred to an existing American business, the L-1 visa is most likely the best work visa for you. L-1 visas are available to employees working for companies outside the United States, such as in Canada, that have branches, subsidiaries, affiliates, or joint venture partners in the United States. The spouse of the L-1 visa holder in most cases is eligible to work. However, the spouse must first apply for an H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD. If the work authorization is granted, the spouse does not typically face any restrictions on their place of employment.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!